right, today I have a question for you. What is matter? Does anyone know? Elsie.
Matter means like you bumped into somebody and you
It can be kind of hard to explain, but today we're going to learn about matter in ways that we can explain it to others, okay? All right, here we go. You ready? Oh, I just bumped into matter. I just touched matter. The water in your water bottle is matter. The ground I am standing on is matter. So matter is anything that takes up space. So what is matter? Elsie.
Something that takes up space.
That's right. It's anything that takes up space. Now there's different forms of matter. What are different forms of matter? Does anyone know?
Solid and gas.
Solid, liquid, and gas. Can someone give an example in this room of what a solid would be? Elsie.
It's solid water.
No.
No, that's liquid.
The desk is a solid. Can anyone give an example of a liquid?
Liquid. The water bottle.
That's right. Okay. Now, today we are going to show that air takes up space. Kaden, would you please pass a balloon out to each person in the class? Macy, would you please give everyone a piece of paper?
What do I do?
I'm going to tell you. As soon as all the items have arrived at your desk, I will give you instructions. It's important that we leave the balloon on our desk, please. Okay, go sit in your seat.
I'm following directions.
All right, here we go. So, is air matter? Kaden thinks yes. Now let's see if we can prove it. I would like to give you some instructions though. If you are not kind and courteous with your balloon, it's going to be hard for the rest of the class to learn and to participate. So until I say please blow up your balloon, keep your balloon on your desk. And follow the directions that I ask with the balloon, okay? Okay, here we go. Please pick up your balloons and blow it up. Keep going. Blow, blow. Good job. What is happening to your balloon?
It's packing up air so it expands bigger.
It's expanding. Elsie, what's happening to your balloon?
It's expanding.
Is it getting bigger? It is. It's getting bigger, right? Okay, so if we keep blowing air into it, what's going to continue to happen to the balloon? Kaden. It's going to continue to grow larger. Why? Take your balloons out of your mouth and let's stop for a second. Hold on tight to your balloon. Why is the balloon growing?
Because we're blowing into it and the air makes it expand.
And what are we blowing into the balloon? Does anyone know? Air. And what is air made up of?
Atoms.
Atoms. Air is made up of atoms. Okay, now I want everyone to let go of their balloon. Ready, set, go.
I can't.
Let go of your balloon. Let go of your balloon.
It's stuck to my home. It's stuck to my head.
What happened to those atoms? Please stay in your seats.
They have masks everywhere.
Please stay in your seats. They did. Are the atoms still here? Are they still in this room?
Yes.
They are.
In
So,
the air.
and what is this air called? What do we breathe every day? Oxygen. So today we are going to draw an atom for oxygen, and we're going to talk about the different parts that make up the atom.
What is the paper for?
We're going to draw on our papers. Just you guys pretend you don't do it. What an atom looks like. Okay? All right. So an atom is a bunch of circles when we draw them. Okay? And the middle part is called the nucleus. And in the nucleus are where the protons live. to make an oxygen atom, we are going to put 8 protons inside the nucleus of our atom. Now, there is an inner shell and an outer shell that make up each atom, whether it's oxygen, whether it's hydrogen, whatever atom it is, there is an inner and an outer shell. So this is our inner shell, and this is our outer shell. And in the inner and outer shell live the electrons. So, the nucleus, the protons, and the electrons make up an atom. And they're important parts to it, okay? So,
I thought you were talking
each
about
element, like oxygen, has different properties to it and numbers of protons, like we said. So, oxygen has 8 protons. Can you see those protons in the inside the nucleus? And as far as electrons, it has 2 in the inner shell. 2 electrons, inner shell. Now the outside of a has 5, 6 electrons in the outer shell. And this makes up an atom. And this is the atom that we blew into our balloons using oxygen. So what is matter? Who can tell me what matter is? Macy. Who can tell me what matter is? What's matter? It's something I can touch. Or it's all around us. It's anything that takes up space. What is an atom?
Something that takes up space and air.
Atom is what makes up matter.